Hello, my friends, and welcome to Calendar Time. If you are learning at home today, please make sure you're sitting in a safe and comfortable spot. If you are in the classroom, please make sure you're sitting crisscross in your own space, mask on your face. All right, my friends, let's all take a deep breath together. All right, now our brains and our hearts are ready to learn. Let's use our eyes to look and our ears to listen. Our greeting today is a wave. Hello, everybody. I'm so glad to see you. We are still in the season of spring. And today is the 121st day of school. There's our 100, so we've got a yellow 1 for our yellow 100. We have an orange 2 for our 2 tens. There's our 2 for our 2 tens. And here's our purple 1 for our 1. So 121. All right, friends, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. 121. Here is our April calendar. Let's count our days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we don't have a pattern yet. None of our pictures are repeating, so let's go ahead and say our pictures. Let's see. Sprout, flower, butterfly, ladybug. Sprout. I wonder what today's going to be. What do you think? Let's find out. Did you say flower? All right. On Friday, we'll have a half day of school. And the other day we're looking forward to is Nala's birthday. It'll be on a Sunday, so not a school day. But we hope to celebrate with her. All right, friends. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's read our sentence. Today is Tuesday, April 6th, 2021. All right, let's sing our days of the week. Big deep breath. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, my friends. We are in the month of April. April is the 4th month of the year. Let's take a deep breath and sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Oh, these are the months of the year. Sing them with joy and with cheer, the months of the year. All right, my friends. We have been talking about the letter R this week. And do you remember what sound R makes? R always makes the sound R. All right, so we're going to find all the things that start with that R sound and put them right here under this letter R. Last week we talked about this letter. Do you remember it? Q, letter Q. And Q always makes the sound Q, Q. And remember learning about this letter? Letter P. What sound does P always make? P. P. All right. So our first picture is a quarter. Quarter. Where should we put it? Well, under the Q, of course. How about this pumpkin? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Letter P. Here is the queen. Queen. Does it start with an R? No. Does it start with a P? No. It starts with a Q. Queen. How about this rainbow? Rainbow. What do you think? Yes, letter R. Rainbow. How about this pizza? Pizza. You're right, letter P. Ooh, here's a robot. Robot. Letter R. You're right. R. Robot. rainbow robot. How about this quail? Quail. Quail. Letter Q. And these paints. Paints. Letter P. What about this nice cozy quilt? Quilt. You got it. Ooh, let's see. Let me move this picture out from behind me. Ooh, those are some beautiful red roses. That's right, letter R. And what is this animal? Can't be a mouse, right? Because we don't have the letter M, because we know mouse starts with a M. It must be a rat. And rat starts with R. What about this little pink pig? Pink pig. Ooh, I notice my lips are going P. And I know letter P makes that sound. Pink pig. All right, let's review. Here's our letter P. Pizza. Oh, pumpkin. Pizza. Paint. And pig. Here's letter Q. Quarter. Queen. Quail. And quilt. Here's letter R. Rainbow. Roses. Robot. And rat. Good job sorting by beginning sounds, my friends. All right, time to subitize. You ready? All right, let's watch. When it stops, you say the number. How many? 1. How many? 4. How many? 3. How many? 1. How many? 3. How many? 1. How many? 5. Great job, my friends. Today is Tuesday. It is April 6th, and today we sorted by beginning sound. We remembered that letter P says P, Q says Q, and R says R. And then we practice subitizing. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday. I wish you well.